welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and Merry Christmas! I have this ginormous box in front of me. I know you can't tell on video how big this is, but I will get you a picture. This is a Disney box swap with an amazing YouTuber, Susan from Twinkling Beauties. She does Disney unboxings, beauty unboxing, faith-based unboxings, you name it, she does it. She's also pretty crafty, even though she'll say she's not. She makes amazing Disney ears, and she is just somebody that I met on Facebook and started swapping with. So this will be the second year that I've done a Christmas swap with her. We do have requirements, so there are certain items that must be in here. I don't know the list offhand, but I will put it in the description box below. We did not have a dollar amount because we've been planning this all year, so we just slowly got the items as we were going. So she is somebody that I love to swap with, and I do a couple times a year. So I will link our swaps up in the iCard above so you can take a look. But I'm so excited to get in this box. So let's see what's inside. Oh, and look at these stickers. She always does an amazing job decorating it for me. I sent hers, and I never do stickers. I put them in the box. Oh, and this is a swap. So I will also link the swap that we're doing as well. So go over there and check out what I sent to her. It will be posted today as well. Let's see. I was so excited to get my box. I almost forgot to tell you that I sent her one as well. Oh my goodness, she put stickers on the inside too. How cute are those? This sucker is taped. Tape. Okay. More over here. It says Merry Christmas upside down for you guys, but I will definitely be trying to keep those. And then when you open it up, there's more. And then it's got a gorgeous card, and it's packaged so well. I'm going to move the box just so it's not in the way, and I can show you what she sends to me. So first up is a gorgeous card. Hi Jen, thanks for doing the swap with me. I always enjoy making a box for you. I hope you love everything. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas with much love, Susan. It says, may the beauty of this season bring you joy. And then there is gorgeous. Made me think there was confetti. Oh, there is some confetti on top. So gorgeous tissue paper. And first up, we have a super cute sticker tablet, which is Winnie the Pooh. Now, Winnie the Pooh is not my favorite, but Eeyore is my favorite, and she knows that. And there are so many cute Eeyores in here. Oh, look at that Tigger. This is super cute. I love stickers, so I'm weird, I know. It looks like we also have some Reese's miniature candies. Very nice. Ooh, this feels like a pair of ears. We did have ears as part of the requirement. I'll probably tell you that with everything she sends me, just because I kept to it. I got her everything. I just don't remember what I got her. Oh, these are gorgeous. I bet she made these. Oh, look at those. How special. I love those. I'll get a picture of me wearing them and post it here for you. And she wrapped literally everything. Oh, this one's heavy. She even got me awesome Disney wrapping paper. Yes, I am trying not to rip it. I know. Okay. Let's see. Another episode of Can Jen Open a Thing? So much tape on this. Ooh, it's a mug. Is it a Christmas mug? It is. Look at how pretty that is. I love that. She definitely stayed on Christmas. I may not have done the same for her, but I hope she loves everything that I sent her. This feels like, so next requirement was the gym shore. This feels like a red box. And look, it's a red box. Hopefully she taped up the spoiler. I never even thought about that, but last year, like when I get Magic at Your Door or any of the other Disney boxes, you can see on the side when you're unboxing it or opening a spoiler. And I never even thought until she did it last year of covering up that little spoiler so that when you're unboxing it, you don't inadvertently see what's inside. That's perfect, Susan. Love it. No peeking. And opening it up. Oh, look. Man, she kept everything Christmas. I love it. It's the Nutcracker Jim Shore. I think that is amazing. His mouth actually probably doesn't crack nuts, but moves. Super cute. I love that. I will put him right here so you can see him while we keep unboxing. Next up. Next we had a pop or a Funko Pop or Q Pop requirements. Oh, it's the Christopher Robin Tigger. Look at how cute he is. I love that. And yes, I do already have the Eeyore, so a Tigger is perfect. I don't have him. This is a bag. So next requirement was a Loungefly or similar bag. And she found me a Winnie the Pooh one. An Eeyore one, I should say. Not necessarily. Oh. Look at that. The placement is a little weird because they're upside down, but so super cute. Look at that. And then the inside, and this is a Disney Loungefly. And then inside looks like it's blue. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, and then we had a shirt. So this is probably a shirt. Ooh, a red one too. Oh, I cannot tell you how cool it is. She's stuck with just Christmas stuff. I love that. Or lots of Christmas stuff. I love that. I love that it's red. It's super adorable. Thank you, Susan. few things left. We did ask for 2 pins and mystery items, like whatever we wanted. So the cup was definitely one of those. So let's see what else. Ooh. Aww, I wanted this one. He was so cute. This is the Hallmark Eeyore. Oh, look at the sparkle of that hat. Gorgeous. And then these 2 little guys left. Oh, it's a Loungefly or Piglet. That is adorable. She always finds the cutest pins. Yay! Look at that! That is perfect. So it is an Eeyore Fantasy pin. And that was the perfect thing to end it on. I absolutely loved this swap. I always love swapping with you, Susan. Thank you so much for my amazing Christmas gifts. And I can't wait to watch the video of you opening yours. You should love everything, although I didn't go with the Christmas theme. You will definitely be surprised. Thanks everybody for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, have a great day.